came out to Miranda to buy a new vlogging camera. We bought the ZV-1 and the crane. We'll show it to you later. The crane's getting delivered.
So let's go have a look around and see how beautiful this place is. There's heaps of places to eat.
Yeah, there is.
It's really changed, hasn't it?
It has, yeah.
I wonder what's upstairs. Offices or...
Probably offices, yeah, I'd say so.
A bit slippery. Hold my hand so I don't fall.
On level, no,
There's more food.
there's restaurants up there. Kelly's,
But it's not open.
and level 2, level 3 and level 4 is restaurants, all restaurants.
Wow.
I was quite
It's
good
really
today.
pretty, isn't it? I haven't been to a long time.
Not as pretty as you, but look at you, you're gorgeous.
Yeah, whatever. Look at those clouds over there. Okay, please.
Okay.
It's looking good. So here we are driving home and there's more rain. Terrible rain.
Nothing's terrible about rain. You need rain, you need water.
It's summer, honey. We're not supposed to have weather like this.
It's supposed to be 42 now, it's 22. Brilliant, I love it.
It's incredible. We had a couple of days of hot weather and now we're back to rain, and this is crazy rain for the summer for Australia. All we need now is the snow that we got in Tassie.
Yeah, it used to rain like this back in the winter, beginning of spring. Now it's moved to summer.
Continue on.
Wow.
For about 2
It's
kilometres.
terrible. You can't even see ahead of you. And it's quite nippy too. It's cold.
Lucky our car's got auto brake.
What a pity. This is a beautiful view usually, but at the moment you can't see anything, so I don't even know why I'm taping. I don't know what happened to the rain. Where'd it go?
It just stopped.
It's
I can still see it in the rear view mirror.
no, it's not wet.
But yeah, the rain just stopped. Like, I don't know, we stepped out of a shower.
It's nice and dry here. We're on the way home and it's nice and dry, whereas over that a ways it was really wet. This is
You
interesting.
don't get those winds, so it just stopped. Right, we're finally back from the shops. Yeah, we drove through that rain that you saw in the video. And
It's still raining.
it's still raining, but we're safe and sound inside now. We bought a few things from the shop. We bought a memory card, 128 gigabyte memory card. We bought this phone accessory to mount the phone to the new gimbal that we bought, which isn't here yet because they didn't have it in stock, so they posted it out to us. And we finally bought our first camera. We've been videoing on our phones, on our Samsungs up to now, which we thought was pretty good, but we thought it's about time to buy a camera. So we bought a Sony ZV-1. A lot of people on the internet said it was the best vlogging camera, so we're going to give it a try and see how we go with it. So let's open it.
You want to have a look too, and then you can't go.
Rambo wants to destroy something. That's what he wants to do.
He wants the box.
I know. I can't even open the box. I need a knife or something. Got keys on me. No. I'll be right back. I've got to go to the kitchen.
Hello.
I'm back.
But says Rainbow.
Okay, we've got
Wants to
the
talk.
knife. Where's Rambo? Rambo's up there.
He's not saying let me out.
You can't see him because...
Make him say let me out. Ouch.
Come here. Come here. No, he doesn't want to. Camera shot. Come here. What are you doing? Is that right? You want to open the box with me? You get... Hello? Say hello to the people. What are you doing back there? Huh? He doesn't want to play.
Oh, you camera shy. Come
Yeah.
here. Come here. Pretty boy. Are you a pretty boy?
Get the-
Pretty boy.
It's taped up pretty well.
We did a lot of research on it. We watched a fair bit of YouTube. So, yeah, we're hoping that it's a good choice. We didn't want to get anything too expensive or too complicated. So for now, let's start with this and see how we go. Nice and simple.
Hopefully.
Don't feel worried, Rainbow.
Okay. So this is... I don't know what this is.
That's probably the strap that he was talking about.
It is. No, it's a,
Oh,
it's a dead cat.
muffler.
the dead cat,
We heard someone call it a muffler on
Mhm.
YouTube.
USB cable. Okay, so here's the little camera, the ZV-1, as we call it here in Australia. Probably really said that.
ZV.
ZV.
It's a ZV.
Gotta put my eyes on. I can't
That's what we're
see.
going to name it. We're going to name it the ZV. ZV, that's its name, her name. Her, she's a she, and we're going to name her ZV Sony. Or Sony ZV, how's that? ZV Sony?
So this goes in the horseshoe. I can't open the horseshoe. Can I?
What's that?
The dead cat goes inside the horseshoe.
I don't know. I thought a horseshoe goes on a horse.
No, this is a special horseshoe. So that's where the dead cat goes, as you can see.
It's nice and small, it's not as big and chunky
Tiny
as
little
yours.
camera. I don't even know where the battery goes. Let's have a look.
Gotta flick it open.
Lock, open. It's probably got no power. It's brand new.
Sometimes they charge it up a little bit though.
Tiny little battery.
It is small and we read and heard that it doesn't last for very long, so we're probably going to have to buy a few more batteries, but I
Another,
think for now it'll work for us.
maybe another 10 or 20.
Maybe not.
Let's see. Let's power it on. Nope, ain't gonna power on.
No. We'll charge it first.
I need to charge it, then we'll be back and we'll have a little play with the camera and see what it does. I'll charge the camera. That's a flip out screen. You see it's on. I really don't know what this camera can do yet because we just bought it today. It's got the flipping screen. Like I said before, it's a ZV-1. It's got the dead cat on top to when you're recording videos so the wind noise isn't going to the microphone. We can also take the dead cat out and attach the big Rode microphone up here, the shotgun mic for better audio. I've got a 128 gigabyte memory card in here. I'm just scrolling through the menu here, the modes. It's got shutter priority, manual exposure, sweep panorama, all sorts of different modes for videoing and taking pictures, which I have to learn about with this camera. So it's time to go learn how this thing works, and the next video you see will be made from this little Sony ZV-1.